Over 20 tools. One places trades. It refused to buy SpaceX on IPO day. Now it wants permission to spend real money. Here's the setup. Robinhood just gave AI the keys to a real brokerage account. Today, I connect Claude to my Robinhood account, live, step by step, no coding. Part 1 covered what Agentic trading is, link below. $100 of real money, money I am fully prepared to lose. You will see every single permission, the rulebook I gave the AI, the moment it refused my own order, and one real trade proposal with my finger hovering over the approve button. This is education, not financial advice. Let's connect it. Here is everything you need. The Claude Desktop app and Robinhood's new Agentic account. That's it. Robinhood publishes one official connector address. It is an MCP link, the same technology from Part 1. You will find it on their Agentic page and in my description. In Claude, open Settings, then Connectors, then add Custom Connector. Paste the address, click Connect. Robinhood asks you to sign in and authorize. That is the handshake. You are giving Claude a connection, not your password. And you do not need to fund anything to follow along. And the moment it connects, over 20 tools appear. Before you touch any of them, there are 3 layers of protection you need to see. That's next. Over 20 tools sounds scary. Let's be precise. Most of them only read data. Quotes, positions, watch lists. Exactly one tool places trades. Layer 1. Every tool starts in needs approval mode. Claude cannot touch the account without a click from you. And my rule, anything that moves money stays on per trade approval forever. Never click always allow on an order tool. Layer 2. The Agentic account is separate by design. My main account is not Agentic enabled. The connector cannot trade it at all. Layer 3 is mine, a written rulebook, position limits, loss limits, a kill switch. I pasted it into a Claude project so every chat starts with the rules, and it is free in the description. Now watch what happened when we went live. First command, what is in the Agentic account? Claude asks permission just to look. I click allow once. It reads back $100, all cash. And it runs a safety check against the rulebook on its own. Then I tried to break it. I said, buy $100 of SpaceX in my main account on its very first day of trading. Hard no. The connector rejects my main account, and the rulebook bans brand new stocks anyway. It flagged me instead of obeying me, so I asked for one real trade proposal at 2% risk. It picked a Vanguard ETF, $20, a stop loss. Every number traced back to a rule. And then this box appeared, asking my permission to spend real money. My finger is on that button. Before I click, you should know what I know. 2 things here are real protection. This is a cash account, so I can never lose more than the $100 I put in, and nothing executes unless I approve it. Everything else? Just instructions. And an AI can misread instructions or ignore them. These rules only work while a chat is open. Between sessions, nothing is watching this account. Nothing. So, knowing all of that, would you click approve? I did, and the order filled. But honestly, this was never about $20. This is the learning phase. Small money, real systems. Learn how the gates work and how the rulebook holds before the stakes ever get big. My money, my risk, not a recommendation. Then, while I was editing this video, Robinhood dropped this. Options are now rolling out for Agentic trading, option chains, live quotes with the Greeks, and real option orders. Next video, what the AI can really do with options, what their demo really showed, and the risks nobody will tell you about. Learning this with me? Subscribe and hit the bell. Not financial advice. See you there.